so bwenki kutandara kwedu Understarlet Creative Multimedia. We are here in Budiriro interviewing anyone watinenge tangoona about trending stories. Tozati ma streets are hot. So pana mdara wangu ari kuyaparika ndo abvunzo taufa. Hello, sorry mdara wangu. Sorry nonetso. Ewe magadenyo. Awa nifara. Mdara wangu, my name is Ngia. My name is what?
Nini? Nditwa Ango Bravo.
Ango Bravs. Oh, nice to meet you ngoma. Ngoma ngutufamba uchi interview like chirukitika so ndokumbira mudemo mota dziri kuya. Ndikufambawo ndichi interview about trending stories ndozati pa social media pane nyaya dzikutrenda dzakati wande amenoti munedza mungakwanisa kunge muchiziva were.
There's a lot of thing happening on the social media, my brethren. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And yet a lot of people are displaying things in the open, and they're trying to do a lot of things out of their hearts to go in the street and show off what they can do in order to earn a living. If you go into town, my brethren, you go, everything is happening there. You're not going to know street, street. Once it's not even people are eating their lunches there. People are just displaying there and start cooking, and it's all happening. It's just out of the confidence of people to earn a living, because if they don't do like that, okay, how will they live?
Okay, Ango Bravs, rekandi kudzose kumashure mbichani ndokumbirwa yumuswedere nechekuno muswedere nechekuno kumota munozonia ndanzwa muchitaura panyaya yemutown mutown pane nyaya yandambonzwawo about murume akabika sadza mutown aminoti mwamboinzwawo here.
Ndinogona ndisina kuinzwa but zvinhu zvandinoshuwa zviri kuitika. As I'm telling you kuti anything can happen there in town zvinoitika. Saka maybe I might not know of the particular man you're talking about, but what I know is zvinhu izvozvo zvinogona kuitika, zviri kutoitika. Saka I've seen those things happening because the impossibles are what are making people living. Though yatori means of employment of so many people.
Okay. Chiriga, like in a briefly explanation, maybe mungakwanisa uzondibatsirawo panzvanduta. Okay, pane baba vakabika sadza mutown and then vakatorwa a video vachibika sadzache mutown, and then the video went viral pa social media. So vanhu vakazonoita GoFund yekuti baba vawane vapirwe oro canteen yekuti vakwanise kubika zviri proper in a proper way. Yeah. So pane mabrands anengana Olinda Chapel, okay, and then tina Bruno Furniture.
$100 you toda kudzusira vamandidzusira mamufungo ndichaira mberi naimdara tinototambira.
So munhu arikuzonzi akaenda kurufu kuchinho, and then he was reframed kuti akaba phone amenoti imimiwo munotiwo kudi nenyaya yakadaro.
Reframed by who?
Like everyone angari parufu papo they say aba phone amenoti imi munozvionawo siye kuti someone akambokwanisa kubika sadza mutown ozonzi aba phone.
Ndozvinowanzoitika kuti the ones who are looking down and low and who seem very vulnerable are the ones who are accused for certain things in life. So sometimes it's not amazing kuti people, they look and they qualify somebody because of what he's wearing, or they qualify somebody because of how he looks, and maybe certain people can be accused to be thieves when they are not. Like the person you are talking about, being somebody and a confidence of going in the street and cook sadza and try to earn his living. Rimona and confidence who is to do his work and work for his life and go on. So such kind of things, sometimes when they are not proved, certain people can be accused of cases which they never did. And I think, in my opinion, I don't know whether this guy has done it, but I don't think so. I also think he has been framed.
Wow.
I also think maybe he has been framed.
Wow.
Because truly, somebody ane guts to come out of himself, you know, and go in the jungle, you know, to hunt. When you go in the street there and you want to cook sadza in it, it's not, people with the normal thinking cannot do that. Only people who can come out of the box and say, let me earn a living through hard and thick can do that. And such people, in most cases, I see them as people who has got potential to go on with life, and they don't give up. Such people, and those people who can tell a story later on after starting so hard, you know, and later in life they will live a life which has come out of sweat. And I don't see such people as people who can do trivial issues like thieving other people's things. No, they could have theft already.
Yeah, so guys, Nara is talented.
Some of these things, don't just take them for granted, because people have framed somebody and give them a bad image. Then we say that person is made out of badness. No, you know, even ourselves as people, when the colonial masters came here, you know, they tried to tarnish us as bad people in our ankles. Even playing the drum itself, you were taken as a bad mind person who is bringing bad spirit to the people. Mpira itself, just being seen holding Mpira, you can be tarnished in this traditional witchcraft man. But you are not. You know what I'm saying? These some of the things which make a person become who he is. You create your identity by standing firm for your identity. You create the one who you are supposed to be, Uncle, by standing firm for the works which you are supposed to stand for. Uncle. So don't be tarnished, my brother. Don't be tarnished. You should be the master of your destiny. And some of the things don't be told. You know, you should check the people who are saying those things. Some of them, they are the virtues of those things. They are the masters of those dirty creations.
Yeah, man. So, Uncle, can I ask you something? Are you a musician?
Yes, I'm a musician by profession. I was born musician. Then I grew up to learn to be a musician. So, like, as I am here, I'm a music teacher. I teach the ghetto youths music, and I love to deal music. That's my profession for life.
Okay. Can you just sing for us, like?
Brighter days are coming soon. Give it all to Jah. He's gonna lift you up. Rise up early in the morning. Make a prayer, oh Jah, give a guide. Day shout a day to Jah garden, give all power to plantation. As I cite agitation, garden go save the nation, and I know brighter days are coming soon. Better days are coming. Brighter days, oh yes, they are coming soon. Don't give it up. Just give it all. Don't give it up. Just give it all. Don't give up. Just give it all. Don't give it all.
Seems like you reggae, right?
Jah is always on thy side. The more you give, the better they become. So you got to give. Every time, think about giving to the poor there, my brethren. And you know, Jah is going to save you and give you some more. The more you give, the better you get. You see. So think of others before you think about yourself.
Thanks so much.
Uncle Bravo.
Uncle Bravo is a musician, guys. Like, Nuimba reggae.
Yes, I sing Afro, ethnic, reggae beat.
So,
I was born, bred in Zimbabwe, so I sing Afro ethnic. Yes, Zimbabwean music on African version, on an international version as well.
Okay. So, pa social media, tikada ukuchaga tinotani.
Just look at me find me as Uncle Bravo still, you know. That's how you find. Yes, yeah.
So family and friends, ndokumbira support you to Ango Bravs. He's a musician, singer.
Grooves Trust, you know.
So munoita
Grooves Music Trust.
Okay, yes. So munoita music writing, or
I do a lot of things, my brethren. I'm an artist by nature. You see, first thing, I do music, and I also do permaculture. You know, yes, what is called integration of plants. I'm a herbalist by nature, so I plant a lot of herbals for the survival and levity of the people. Yes, and I love sports for the youths. So you find I'm also a champion in making sure that the youths are getting fitness through soccer. So in Mbari, where I live, we have got Mbari Junior League, where we are working out with all the youths in Mbari in regards football. So we're doing quite a lot, and as well we're just having a lot of social interaction with the community, where we come together and just put social reasonings for regenerating our communities. So there's quite a lot we are doing for Live It and Survival. But besides, I'm also a reggae star, a reggae artist star. I work with a band which is called the Higher Grade Band, and we play a lot of nice reggae. So you can invite us wherever, and we can do the best we can. Yes. See,
so maninga wachida ukubate vangakubate pa number dzinoti
I'm on 0772112085. That's my number on WhatsApp, and whenever you want to catch me, you can catch me up there, and you can even phone me direct and all that. 0772112085. Yes, you can catch me up there. My name is Ango Bravo, Bravo Kuraites. Yes. Yes.
Thanks in common.
Thanks.
Chano.
Yes,
much respect, blessed bro. Guys, tazosangana na mudara ava ndeve kumbari ende vari kutaura everything zvavanogona. So menota kusangana nawo sekubudiriro kuno ndazokangana nguva wabvunza kubudiriro kuno kwanga wachite. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and then my comments tukumada, guys. No comment even kana kati ptseke, it's okay. All we need from you is your support. Kuti tive pano nasi ndimi. So your support is our need. Thank you.
Unasungisa baba veSadza, iwewe chicha kurwadza.